Before you open ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, or Meta AI again, watch this video first because choosing the wrong AI apps can turn a 5 minute task into a frustrating 30-minute struggle. I tested all four AI assistants using the same prompt, the same task, and the same challenges, same results, and I was shocked. Some were disappointing, and one AI completely dominated a category I never expected. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools deserves a spot in your daily workflow and which one you should avoid for specific tasks. Stick around and let's get started. Typed a prompt into any of these AI tools that I'm talking about, this thing is, you just see trash. There's a very good chance the app wasn't built for that problem. You just used the wrong one. There are four AI apps that literally everyone is talking about right now: ChatGPT, Meta AI, Claude AI, and Google Gemini. And I'm sure you've been using them in your day to day life. And they are not just the same, each one has a different strength. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly which one is open based on exactly what you're trying to do. No jargon, no tech speak. Let's go, people. First, you're starting a lineup. There is one that started the whole AI conversation, and it is ChatGPT. This one is a veteran. Meta AI is built by the same people who own Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. It's free, it lives hidden inside your apps, and you probably already use it every day. Cloud AI, made by a company called Anthropic. This one flies a little under the radar, but trust me, it is a beast for certain tasks. And you see Google Gemini, Google's AI, it's connected to the internet, it's connected to your Google app, and it's getting seriously powerful. Now, we're going to compare this four across four specific things. They are prompt generation, image generation, training, learning, and video generation. Let's break it all down. First up, you will want to do the prompt generation correctly. Now, if you're new to AI prompting, it's just what you type into the chat. But there is also a huge difference between typing something basic and typing something that actually gets you a great result. Here's how the four apps compare. Now, ChatGPT is honestly a gold standard for prompt work. It understands the context really well. You can have long back and forth conversations, and if you give it a detailed prompt, it gives you detailed structured answers. It's specifically good for things like writing, brainstorming, business copy, and content creation. Meta AI, on the other hand, is super casual and conversational. It's built for quick answers and not deep prompting. Think of it as your AI buddy in your WhatsApp chats. It's great for simple questions, quick summaries, fast replies. If you give it a really complex multiple prompts, it can struggle. Claude AI. This is where I want you to pay real attention. Claude is exceptional. It's exceptional at handling long detailed prompts. You can give it up to 2,000 word document and ask it to analyze, rewrite, or improve specific parts of it. And it will follow instruction with incredible precision. It's also really good at being honest, and it doesn't know something, it will find it, and it is very, very reliable. Google Gemini is strong at prompts that needs real world up to date information because it's connected to the internet and it can pull up all current data, news, and research that others can't always access. So, for prompting, ChatGPT is your number one. Claude AI is your power tool. Meta AI is your quick and easy to use. Gemini is your researcher. Now, let's talk about image generation. Image generation is a big deal for content creators, marketers, designers, even if you just want a cool picture for Instagram post. And here's the honest breakdown. ChatGPT will, with its DALL-E 3, that is already inside the GPTs, is genuinely impressive. It actually creates amazing images. You describe what you want in plain English and it creates detailed, high quality images. Faces are usually clean, backgrounds are detailed, and it handles creative concepts really, really well. If you're on a paid plan, this is readily available. Meta AI uses a tool called Imagine. It's free, it's fast, and for basic images, it does a decent job. But when you give it complex images, detailed backgrounds, specific styles, accurate hands and faces, that's where it can fall apart. It's good for casual use, though, so you can actually try it for anything casual. Claude AI, I need it to be straightforward with you. Cloud does not generate images on its own. No. It's a text and reasoning AI. But what it is brilliant at is writing detailed image prompts that you can take into Midjourney or DALL-E or any other image generation tool. So it works with image generation tools, but not it creating the image itself. Google Gemini has image generation built in through Google's Imagine model, and the quality has really improved a lot. It's particularly strong at photorealistic styles and is getting more capable with every update. In fact, I really would tell you that ChatGPT is the best all rounder. Gemini is catching up fast, Meta is free and fast for simple stuff, and Claude AI, use it to write the perfect prompt for any image tool you want. Now, let's talk about training and learning. This section people don't talk about enough. Using AI for your own training and learning, whether it's learning a new skill, studying a topic, understanding a complex concept, or actually customizing the AI with your own information. Let's break it down. ChatGPT has something called custom GPTs, and this is a game changer. You can create your own version of ChatGPT, train it with your documents, give it your personality, use it as your personalized assistant. For beginners, this is powerful because you can build a customer service bot just using ChatGPT, a study assistant, a brand voice tool without any coding. Isn't that wonderful? Meta AI doesn't really offer customization or training yet. It's more of a general purpose assistant. It learns from the conversation in the moment, but you can't upload documents or train it on specific information. No. Cloud AI, well, it lets you upload documents, PDF, research papers, and long files, and then have a full intelligent conversation about that content. It's incredible for learning and analysis. If you're a student, a researcher, or someone trying to understand a complex document, Claude is your unmatched for this. It's just perfect in that line. Google Gemini, on the other hand, connects with Google Drive, Google Docs, and your Gmail, which means it can learn from your actual files and help you work smarter inside Google's ecosystem. For someone already living in Google's world, this is a massive advantage. So for training and learning, ChatGPT for custom AI tools, Claude AI for deep document analysis, Gemini if you live in Google, and Meta AI, not really built for this yet. Let's go ahead and talk about video generation. Okay, as you can see from all the videos I showed, video generation, it's the newest frontier in AI right now. And I'll be straight with you. None of these four apps are fully dedicated video generators. Google Gemini performed really exceptional compared to other ones, but there are other image generation platforms which I will be talking about in my next video. And those ones you'll be able to use for video generation. But let's just compare the video generation of the four apps we're talking about today. ChatGPT doesn't generate videos directly, but paired with a tool that is inside it called Sora, which is open AI video generation tool, or when used with platforms like Runway, it's extremely useful for writing a video script, a video prompt, and storyboard that fits into these tools. Meta AI also doesn't generate full videos, it does 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and they've been working on video generation for a while. AI in research, but as of now, it's not something you can readily use for video generation in a standard app. Claude again is test focused. It is brilliant for writing your video script, YouTube outline, storytelling structure, hooks, calls to action, and written framework. That makes a great video. Like this script for my particular video was created by Claude. Google Gemini is connected to Google's broader ecosystem, including YouTube, and Google is actively developing video AI capabilities. Its strength is in helping you plan and research video content more than generating it from the scratch. Real talk. For actual video generation right now, you're going to want to be dedicated to tools like Sora, Runway, Kling, Pika, and much more. And these four apps that we've been talking about today are great for the strategy and scripting behind your videos, and that matters just as much. Your workflow guide. All right, let's make this super practical. Here is a simple beginner workflow for exactly which app to reach for. Writing content, emails, blog posts, business copy. Open your ChatGPT or Claude. Both are excellent. Start with ChatGPT if you're new. Try Claude when you're into the task and you want more details. Now, if you need current information, research, or something Google related, open Google Gemini. It's plugged into the internet and it's Google's world. If you need a quick answer or something casual on the go, open Meta AI. Especially if you're on Instagram or WhatsApp already, it can give you an answer immediately. Generating images, use ChatGPT with DALL-E. And the best result, use Meta AI's Imagine for something quick and free. Use Claude to write the prompt, then take it anywhere to create. If you want to analyze a document, well, Claude is there. Don't fight it. Building a custom AI tool or assistant, ChatGPT or custom GPTs are there. Video ideas, scripts, and outlines, Claude is there. ChatGPT for the script, Gemini for the research, and then it is also a dedicated video AI tool. Now, here's the thing nobody tells you when you're starting out with AI. It's not about finding one app and sticking to it forever. No. The smartest people are using AI and they're switching between the tools based on their needs. They treat each one like a specialist. Think of it this way. You wouldn't go to a dentist for a broken arm. No. You'll go to the right doctor for the right problem. These AI tools are the same. Now you know which doctor to call. A quick recap before we go. ChatGPT, best for all-rounder. Great for content, custom tools, and images. Meta AI, best for quick answers and casual use inside apps you already have. Claude, best for long documents, detailed tasks, and precision. Google Gemini, best for your research, real-time info, and Google integration. If this video helped you, drop a comment below telling me which app you're going to try first. I am Toyin of Toyin-Parrot, and if you want a full deep dive tutorial on any of these tools, let me know. I will be in the comment section answering everyone. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to keep breaking down these tools in the simplest ways possible. See you in my next video.